as I said before, sometimes I take my magnum on the flat side and I just go from the beginning to the end like this without removing my machine from the skin. And when you do that, if you push hard, you have this brush effect on the skin, which is giving even more this effect of hairs. Sometimes I'm doing that on light areas for the textures. I'm just going on this area with my magnum. I'm doing this, like this you have this effect of hairs and you just didn't leave the skin, which you just went from A to B with this magnum. And for the beginning of this third part, I'm working on the bottom of my eye. So I will be working sometimes with the 5 liner, sometimes with the 7 shader, and outlining or Stone Age Grey. I will take sometimes both of them. And I'm just working like on the other way, under the eye. I'm working from the bottom of the eye. I'm making some hairs, textures coming from the top to the bottom and from the bottom to the top. I try to make quite the same texture than the other side, but I still want to have a natural look. So I'm working quite with the same technique with the short hairs. And I'm not making the base with a magnum like what I've done on the nose, because I don't need that. I'm just creating the textures first with the 5 liner and the 7 shader. I don't need to make any shadows just under. So let's start the white part now, the part that all the customers hate. I don't know if you already had a customer who doesn't like white, but I don't remember even one who was okay in the end. It's normal, it's always more painful. So if you see that it's bleeding a little, it's totally okay, but I think you already know because normally you're already tattooing. Most of my customers ask me why it's more painful when we are making the white. It's really simple. The white is really thicker than the other ink. I think it's the thickest one of all the inks. And as this is after a few hours of tattoo, it's normal, it's more painful. Also because you're tattooing the skin color parts, but it's next to the parts that you already tattooed, so normal one more time. And also it's because your body feels weaker. Your body is tired, so your body creates less underfines and you can less endure the pain easier.